In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail out of Office. If you're stepping away from your inbox, setting an automatic reply in Gmail makes sure people know you're unavailable and when to expect a response. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can turn it on with confidence. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your account so you're looking at your inbox. You'll do everything from here. There's no separate app needed. Next, look at the top right corner of Gmail for the small gear icon, which opens Settings. Click it, then choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where all the detailed options live. You'll land on the General tab by default. Stay there and scroll down until you find the section labeled Vacation Responder. That's the feature that controls your out-of-office auto replies. Now turn it on by selecting Vacation Responder on. This activates the fields you'll need to fill out for your message. Start by choosing your start date and, if you know it, your end date. If you leave the end date blank, Gmail will keep your reply going until you turn it off manually. Setting an end date is helpful if you have a clear return time, but it's fine to skip if your plans are flexible. Add a short, clear subject line. Something like "Out of office works well," so recipients immediately know what your message is about. Then write the message itself. Keep it friendly and informative. You might include the dates you're away, when you plan to respond, and, if appropriate, an alternate contact for urgent matters. Avoid sharing sensitive details. You can format the text if you'd like, but simple and direct is best. Below the message, you'll see an option to only send a response to people in your contacts. Turn this on if you want to limit auto replies to known senders, which can help reduce unnecessary replies to newsletters or unknown addresses. Leave it unchecked if you want everyone who emails you to receive your out-of-office message. When everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. You'll see a banner at the top of your inbox confirming that Vacation Responder is on. You can click that banner later to quickly turn it off or edit the dates and message. For your awareness, Gmail typically sends your auto reply to each person once every few days, so you won't spam repeat senders. That's it. Your Gmail out of office is now set up and ready to go.